Artoonza.
Hey there, pizza lovers and word wizards. Did you know the word pizza has a delicious secret hiding inside? That's right. We're about to turn those 5 letters into the most mouth-watering slice of pizza you've ever drawn. But hold on. We're not stopping there.
Aw, so cute.
We're going full-on fancy with glitter that sparkles brighter than your favorite pizza joint's neon sign, polish shinier than a freshly baked crust, and acrylic paint so vibrant they might make real pizza jealous. Give us your like. We'll even use our tiny vacuum friend to clean up the glitter mess because we're fancy artists who keep things tidy, sort of. So grab your markers, your imagination, and maybe a napkin because this pizza party is about to get messy and magical. Let's slice into this cheesy art adventure together. Who knew the word pizza could be this delicious? We're literally drawing with words and turning letters into the yummiest slice ever. Warning, this pizza drawing might make you crave the real thing. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time for the tomato sauce. We're squeezing paint drops like a pizza chef squeezing ketchup, except way fancier. Watch those red drops fall like tiny pizza raindrops. Then grab your brush and spread that saucy goodness everywhere. It's so red, even tomatoes are jealous. Give us a big thumbs up. Now we're adding that fancy cheese shimmer. This gold glitter polish is shinier than a treasure chest and sparklier than your best friend's new shoes. We're making this pizza so fancy, it could walk a red carpet. Bling, bling, Pizza King. This is so amazing. Green time, baby. We're painting those pizza herbs and veggies so glossy, they look wetter than a water park. This isn't just green, it's I'm too shiny to be real green. Even Shrek would be impressed.
Aw, so cute.
Hold up, we're not done yet. Time to add that melty, gooey cheese color with orange acrylic paint. Drop, drop, drop those paint drops from our magical paint dropper like we're decorating a pizza in slow motion. It's so satisfying, you might replay it 17 times. Not that I'm counting. Now grab your brush and swirl that orange goodness around like you're stirring a pot of liquid gold. We're making this cheese so perfect, even the fanciest Italian restaurant would take notes. This is the kind of orange that makes traffic cones look boring. Keep spreading, keep painting, keep making magic happen. Your pizza slice is starting to look deliciously real, and I'm getting hungry just watching. Smash that like button now. Surprise! We're going rogue with a highlighter pen because why not? This yellow is brighter than the sun and more fun than a highlighter has any right to be. We're adding those final cheesy highlights that make your pizza glow like it just won an award. It's so bright, you might need sunglasses. This is what happens when art supplies have a party. And everyone's invited. Keep coloring, superstar.
Aw, so cute.
Final touch of glossy yellow magic. Our pizza is now officially shinier than a mirror and tastier than... Wait, don't lick it. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.